Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Now, Terra Classic Coin, remember Coinbase have started showing interest on Terra Classic Coin, and even the news that Coinbase have purchased about 25% of Coinbase coin, which is worth about $245 million. That is amazing. Now, Coinbase might be listing Terra Classic Coin soon. Remember, the community of Terra Classic since few months ago has been mounting pressure, serious pressure on Coinbase to list Terra Classic Coin. And according to news rumor that Coinbase just purchased about 245 million. Now let's imagine that Coinbase lists Terra Classic Coin. Now Terra Classic is going to increase more. The community, of course, the buying and selling will increase. In fact, remember before the launch of 1.2% tax bond, so many people believe that Terra Classic can bond up to 10 billion. Even some other believe Terra Classic can bond up to 70 billion coins in a day with the 1.2% tax bond. But I think that number can only come to pass if Terra Classic can really get that support from almost all the top crypto exchanges, and also if the buying and selling of Terra Classic will definitely increase in the coming years. If the market cap of Terra Classic will keep increasing massively, then we might see that number hitting our Terra Classic burning billions of coins in a day. And I believe that yes, 2023 we can see Terra Classic burning about 3 trillion coins, because I believe burning half of its current coins can be possible for Terra Classic. Terra Classic is amazing, and I believe that this coin will definitely increase in price very soon. And I believe Terra Classic will definitely hit an increase before the end of 2023. Now, Coinbase support will also create a better impact for Terra Classic. Coinbase support will attract more buyers for Terra Classic, and I believe Terra Classic will definitely hit an amazing price in 2023. And if Binance will keep continuous supporting the way they have been doing, and I hope that Terra Classic will definitely hit over 10,000% in 2023. Now remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Now let's keep hoping to see Terra Classic pump. Let's hope to see Terra Classic massively increase in price before the end of the year.